ॐ नमो नारायणाय. Now, Sumirau Pavana Kumar. O Bhagwan, you are the son of Pavana, that is Pavana Putra. And that's why Pavana is such. Now just imagine, why am I reviving Pavana? How is Pavan? Which is very important now. In Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavatam, it is explained that Pavan is also a guru of this person who is called as absolutely an ascetic. Why is the Pavan a guru? Now just understand why Pavan is also can be a guru. When Pavan moves, does he have likes and dislikes? Ask. When it goes through the drainage pipe, it says, no, I am not going to go. It goes. Carries that very bad odor and leaves in a moment when it comes out. Yes or no? When it goes to the palace of a king, it carries the fragrance of that beautiful palace too, but it comes out and leaves that also. So Pavana is that one who is not attached to anyone and can never get attached. Oh, to that Pavana Devata, I remember in my heart. Now just remember. Whom do you remember actually? Whatever or whomsoever you like it. Do you remember the person whom you don't like? हाँ, मीन्स हेट्रेड बोलते हैं उसको, द्वेष. मैंने द्वेष के बारे में नहीं पूछा, लाइक के बारे में पूछा एंड डिसलाइक के बारे में पूछा. तो दैट विच वी डोंट लाइक, वी डोंट रिमेंबर. द फूड आइटम यू डोंट लाइक, डू यू कीप रिमेंबरिंग दैट? और द फूड आइटम you like, you that you remember that? Simple, that the which I like, I remember. So, why are you remembering Pavana Devata? Oh Lord, I want to be like you. Is this clear? Whatever you remember, you want to become like that, or you want that. So this is extremely important, extremely important. Now he says, oh Bhagavan, which is extremely point now, a highest beautiful point is coming. When you have an detachment, then only all these will be fruitful. What? Bala, Buddhi, Vidya. Hope it is clear how to connect. If there is no detachment and you have a bala, what will you use for? Boliye. Bala means strength. Now, this bala I will use for my own name, fame and power. Yes or no? Is this clear? So, is this of any use when I use only it for my name, fame and power? Not of any use. So, require a complete detachment. Then only I can use that balam. So, how to understand balam is for what? So, Shastriya Drishtya balam, that we are going to see now. Bala is of two types. One is called as Sharirika, one is called as Manasika. Sharirika means a strength of muscles, muscular strength. And Manasika means a willpower. Hope it is clear now. Sharirika Bala, Manasika Bala. Sharirika Bala means muscular power and Manasika Bala means willpower. Atma Shakti भी जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं. Now, next important point. Sharirika Bala and Manasika Bala. Sharirika Bala is used for what? Ask. If you are extremely strong, what can be your first duty? Very good. To protect those who all are weak than you. Ask, am I doing it? Is this clear? Ask, am I doing? Not at all. What do we do? Whosoever is weak than us, we try to make that person feel so intimidated. Yes or no? Ask, is this your purpose of life? With your power, what are you doing? Ask yourself. Like when Bahu comes, a simple example. In the house of mother-in-law, Bahu has to be. So this power is used for what? Ask. To make someone feel bad? Hayana. Is this a power is for? Now I'm giving one example which is very much seen in the world, actually in India. I don't know about the rest of the country. So ask yourself, the power is used for what? People are so, different. I want to use power to make feel everyone that I am supreme. If such is the way of thinking, अगर किसी के विचार ऐसे है, उसको वो चेयर छोड़ने दो, फिर क्या होता है पूछो। बोलिए, क्या होता है? Not a single person gives an avatar of love or respect. Not a single person. Ask yourself, when whatever I leave, do you want to be like this? Boliye na. This is extremely important. Wherever we are, we all have some or other power in your hand. Yes or no? Ask, with your power, how many people are feeling sorrowful? Yes. Is this clear to everyone? This is called as sensitivity. This is called as actual knowledge. That when you know because of me someone is extremely sorrowful, that means you have knowledge. When because of you someone is extremely sorrowful and you don't care who you are, Ramcharitmanas is said you are Rakshas. Who you are? What is the Rakshas Pravritti explained there? One who is extremely comfortable by his doing when others are unhappy. वाह रे वाह, हाँ जी. Okay, now question is, when you are too much there for people and people take you granted, ask your purpose of life. Is your purpose of life is seva? Then only you are doing, no? Nobody asked you to do. Yes or no? If you don't want to do, who is making you compulsory? Leave it. This we don't understand. If you want to do, like see, point what? A person was there who took a life, whole purpose is to serve the leprosy people. Yes or no? And who he was? A great judge. Dr. Baba Amte is his name. Now just tell me, he is serving whom? Leaving the great. Those people, those who have absolutely thrown out of their own people from their own house. Now, should he say, oh, no, 2 people only I'll serve and 10 people I'll not serve? Ask, bhaiya, ask. Yes or no? Will he say like this when he has taken the purpose of his life that? Boliye. Now, a mother is there. Bhaiya, I can only do something for my one child. And there are 5 children. No, I have no capacity. Oh bhaiya, is it possible? Bolo. Now will a mother ever think that all my children are taken my advantage? पहले 10-10, 15-15 बच्चे होते थे. कभी लोगों को ये विचार नहीं आया कि 10-10, 15-15 बच्चों ने मेरा एडवांटेज लिया. बोलिए. कभी नहीं. That mother is to, at the last breath, serve and serve. Yes or no? This is great. So this thought which comes because I have not understood the purpose of my life. I am doing just because I feel sometime good and that's all. Sometime good. This sometime good has no meaning. I make you understand. Sometime I'm good and sometime I'm not. This person is extremely dangerous. Why? Because you cannot understand this person ever. Yes or no? When this person will change the color? Now? Somebody who is bad forever, Ravana. Oh, we understand. Okay, Ravana is Ravana forever. Now Ravana when becomes sadhu and comes in different, Sita ji also can't understand. She also falls down. Oh my God. So who you and me? If somebody keeps changing the color, most dangerous. Yes or no? Understand this. So one has to be very clear about that. This is how we should understand one important thing, that is the purpose of my life is seva. And then you say, कभी हनुमान जी ने पूछा, श्री राम जी आप तो बहुत ही एडवांटेज ले रहे हो, ये क्या बात हो गई, मुझे कोई शादी नहीं करनी थी, कुछ नहीं, आपने तो शादी कर ली. ए भगवान, क्या हमारी बुद्धि है. हाँ या ना? यहां तो कहते हैं राम काज करी बेको आतुर. बोलिए. So this is how it is. So please understand the power, if any time, if is giving sorrow to one, is enough to make you full of demerits. Full of demerits. Any one time I'll tell you. Because you are misusing it. And the other person will curse you from heart. This is very important. And when someone curses from the heart, nobody can excuse. Nobody can escape. Please understand. Don't take the curse of anyone. This is the greatest wiseness in this world. See, who can curse? This is very important. When you are unnecessarily doing wrong to someone. If a police inspector giving one danda to a so-called as thief, and that thief says you are bad, has no meaning. Is this clear? Has no meaning. That does not come anywhere near to the duty consciousness of this. But if the policeman gives one danda to one and does not give another danda to another person and provides him cell phone and everything, then if he curses, then 100% you will get it. Hope it is clear. A Dharma Shastra. Yes or no? If you are equal to everyone, that is different. But if you are biased to one, then you had it. One, only one. Hope it is clear. So this power is no doubt very important, but it can give us so much of harm to anyone who uses it wrongly. Is this clear? So this is bala. So this is sharirika bala. Clear to everyone? Sharirik balam, we have seen for what it is, and we have seen if something is used for wrong, then how it is. Now comes next important point. Sharirik bala is also understood as energy. Yes or no? If you have lack of energy, what can you do? Tell me. You will try to do, but all sort of mediocre and the most mediocre actions will be there. Understand, this is because of lack of energy. So, lack of energy can give a most degrade quality of actions. Degrade quality of actions. So this is Sharirik, hope it is understood. Now Manasik. Manasik is called as willpower. What it gives, the first important thing is determination. Ask, how much determination you have? Little. How much? एक दिन भी एक चीज को लेके बैठा तो पूरा नहीं कर सकता हूं, उसको छोड़ देता हूं, दूसरा पकड़ता हूं. People are like that. Zero determination. Zero. Why? Because of n number of reasons. The greatest reason is the negativity of the mind. So the willpower can give us determination. And determination can give anything to you. If determination is not there, you are powerless. You are a hopeless. I am not joking. Hopeless person this is. Without determination. Yes or no? जिसके पास ये डिटर्मिनेशन नहीं है उससे आप कुछ भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो. यस और नो, टेल मी. कुछ भी नहीं. उसको काम भी नहीं दे सकते भाई. उसको काम दिया बोलेगा ओ हो गया. कुछ नहीं कर सकता है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज बलम. सो मानसिक बलम इज रिक्वायर्ड. Once now, how it is important? It is there. Like Bhagwan Hanumanji. When all of them, a group of Vanaras like Angada, then who was the old one? Jambavanta. And Nala and Neela. They reached there. On the shore of the ocean. Now everyone said, I can do this, I can do this. Hanumanji is not saying anything. Then Jambavanta got up and said, do you know what is the purpose of your life? You have forgotten. He says, what? He says, you are there to serve Sri Ramji alone. Is it? Zoing. He became so magnanimous, gigantic personality. Now understand. How did he develop this determination and enthusiasm? By knowing the purpose of life. Yes or no? He became 100 times bigger than what he is. Now understand Mahatma Gandhi ji, when understood the person from Mohan Karamchand Gandhi, who he became? Bolo. Mahatma. Before that, Mohan Karamchand Gandhi. Who? A vakil. What is he doing? Earning some money. Who knows? No one knows. And now becoming magnanimous, growing above all the commonness. Who does not know? Ask. Not in India, my dear. In every country there is a Mahatma Gandhi road. And I heard that there are n number of universities, they offer PhD on Mahatma Gandhi. In outside country. How is it so, my dear? Bolo. This is called as the willpower. If it is put into right direction with the right determination, you can grow to the any heights. Now Swami Chinmayanandaji, he was also serving, this so-called as the journal Herald. The person he was serving, he was doing his job. Now when he dropped it and took something higher in life, now ask Swami Chinmayananda. When he was writing in Herald, common Balan, Balakrishna Menon. How many people know Balakrishna Menon? And how many people know Swami Chinmayananda? बोलिए, कोई कंपैरिजन है? कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है. Is it not the willpower and determination power by which he could grow to that magnanimity? बोलिए. So, in our life, every power of ours should be used for what? Ram kaj kari beko atur. Every power of mine should be used for his work. Everything I must use for his work. Then you see what happens. So in practical, if you want to know how to understand, मन क्रम बचन से भगवान का हो जाना. मन क्रम वचन. मन यानी माइंड, क्रम यानी कर्म, वचन यानी योर वर्ड्स. Also वचन यानी thinking. How do you think? This is very important, extremely important. So, this is the beauty of one boon, balam. Any question regarding today's discussion? Because it's very important to know, why do I require balam? What is the purpose of bala? The strength in my life. There are people, now animals, which has so much of bala, which can produce 10, 15 offsprings at one delivery. Are they very famous and very magnanimous or very great? Not at all. Ask. Power. The elephant is great having a power. The power, the most powerful animal. What do we do, elephant? We all make that elephant dance. What is the use of that power? Tell me. One who is shackled in the iron chain and dancing in front of everyone. What is the greatness in this? If we get the power and dance in front of any weakness, hope it is clear. समझदार को is this balam which is important then? Zero balam. So don't have such sort of weaknesses and don't allow your mind to get into this sort of weaknesses at all. So for that we require great willpower to grow above the commonness. And because of that, I require to bow down to my Guru. Otherwise, not possible. This is very important. Otherwise, not possible. Because this buddhi is such which only keeps craving for me and my happiness. Think yes or no. Otherwise, it only keeps craving me, my happiness. Me, my happiness. It does not understand the higher way of life. To know the higher way of life, we have to connect to Shri Guru Charana Saroj Raja Nija Mana Mukura Sudari Paranau Raghupara Bimala Jasu Jodayak Falachari. अभी बोलो हनुमान चालीसा क्या चीज है? हमको लगता है हनुमान चालीसा क्या है? So every our scriptures is a great potential to make us grow in all the aspects. All the aspects. So I'm stopping here to give you time to think. Now, what is the point? Whatever power I have, how am I using it? Ask yourself. Both sharirik and manasik. Whatever power I have, how am I using it? Now, day to day, one has to be very careful about. I have a power. Then what do? 5 hours I see TV. How much? 5 hours. I'm not joking. There are people, 5 hours they are watching TV. I am having a power. What do? I am on my WhatsApp for how many? 7 hours. Very good. I am exaggerating, but hope you are understanding. Is this power is for your energies for this? हाँ या ना बोलूं? I am there. I have a power. And I keep brooding over my past useless life. Very good. Who you are? Buddhihin. Buddhihin. I have a power. Why for you use it? For all sort of gossiping. Useless. No, think about that. If I use my power for all such things, am I not buddhihin? Hayana. So if not percent of buddhihin, we all are. In some percentage, only the percentage is more and less. But buddhihinata is 100% there. So Bhagavan says, Buddhihin tanu janike sumiro Pavan Kumar. O Pavan Kumar, your greatness of absolute detachment, I keep remembering in my mind, and with that, I bow down to you and ask you this boon. Bala, Buddhi, Vidya, Dehu Moye. Harahu Kale Sabikar. Bala is clear? Haji? Because one, let us be very clear, because these two are the extremely important dohas. Extremely important. The rest is lots and lots of sort of explanation of Hanumanji. But this is called as the essence of whole Hanuman Chalisa. What am I going to get, and how should I use that if I get it? Om Namo